Hey guys, today we have a Tarmac works and we have a CC8 Koenigsegg, some collection cards or collecting cards, trading cards as they call them. And let's get cracking and see what's this all about. Before we get into the model, let's look at the cards first. Let's see what we have. I don't know if they have like special cards, like limited edition ones or whatnot. I don't know. Yeah, I don't buy this for the cards, and we got one with a picture of the car and some information. Cruise frame, you're gonna read it, the engine and all that stuff. Hand it back, and then this type of holographic one with the same information. I'm gonna keep them. I'll save them, but like I said, they're not my thing. This on the other hand, let's do a wheel check first. So satisfying to do that. Okay, CC8, one of the first, if not the first model, I think that Koenigsegg made. CC850, I think the CC was CCB, I think was the first prototype. We have landslides. This model is it is licensed. Have a small Koenigsegg logo on there and no detail on the front. Diamonds, and there's a little bit of paint missing there, but what are you gonna do? That shouldn't have happened in such a high quality, expensive model. But it happens. Let's see how good it rolls. Flawless. Anyway, that's the Tarmac CC850. Hope you enjoyed and like this episode of premium cars, premium brands. Thanks for supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that stuff so we can keep growing this diecast community. Till the next one, guys. Adios.